First, the expiratory set must be verified and assembled according to the following steps. Place the diaphragm on the cap of the set with the annular fold in the middle of the diaphragm facing down. Then, place the cap on the body so that the side tabs of the cap are placed on the internal circumference of the body. To finish, turn the cap clockwise until the side tabs reach the stop. Once the expiratory set is assembled, connect it to the ventilator as follows. Insert the set into the expiratory port in the lower connection block so that the silicone hoses are facing forward. Once the set has been inserted, make a quarter turn so that the expired gas outlet faces the left side. The silicone hoses must be connected to the connection block in the following way: the top hose to P2 and the bottom hose to P1. Finally, connect the extreme part of the expiratory limb of the patient's circuit to the lower part of the set.